A surprising nighttime ritual is making waves amongst men lately. Did you know that? And it's called the Horse Gelatin Trick for Men. So at first glance, most people assume it's only about joints, muscles, or recovery, but that's not why so many men are secretly thriving for it. You see, the real buzz is about confidence. It's about stamina, energy, and feeling more alive behind closed doors. So today I have a lot of interesting facts about the Horse Gelatin Trick for Men, and you guys need to stay tuned, okay? But if you do want to know more information about this, below this video there's a link. Make sure you check that out afterwards, okay? Now, a lot of men, they notice changes as they get older. Stress, it seems to pile up, energy crashes, circulation slows down, and suddenly they don't feel like themselves anymore, right? Your confidence, it's lost. So desire, it feels weaker. Performance isn't as effortless as it used to be. And that's why this simple gelatin routine has started gaining attention as part of a daily wellness habit. Fans of the trend believe the amino acids found in collagen-rich gelatin may help support endurance, flexibility, circulation, recovery, and overall masculine vitality. And when the body feels stronger and more energized, many men say it changes everything, especially their confidence during those little intimate moments. Now, some users describe the feeling as reconnecting with a version of themselves they thought was gone forever. More drive, more intensity, more motivation, more umphness, more fire. That natural masculine energy starts to come back, and it doesn't just affect your body, it affects your attitude, your presence, and even your attraction. So part of what makes the Horse Gelatin Trick for Men so popular is how simple it is. No complicated routines, no expensive treatments, just an easy addition to a nightly habit that supporters claim helps them feel younger, more energized, and more confident again. Now, for many men, it's become about more than just wellness. It's about feeling powerful again, feeling desired again, and bringing passion and excitement back into their relationships. So if you guys want to discover more about this Horse Gelatin Trick for Men, that's the link you need to go to. Bring that spark back. Unleash your inner beast again, okay, guys? Thanks for watching. See you next time.